Let us start gas state. In gas state, van der Waals equation. In the van der Waals equation, we have discussed pressure correction. Next, we will take ideal gas equation. In ideal gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. This V is called ideal volume. This V is called ideal volume. This ideal volume is also called free volume. This ideal volume is also called free volume. Now, we will take a vessel. In this vessel, let us consider the gas molecule. Only one gas molecule is present. Now, this gas molecule will get what volume for complete free movement? This gas molecule get what volume for complete free movement in this vessel? What volume shall we say? Shall we say volume of vessel, shall we say, or less than volume of vessel, shall we say, or greater than volume of vessel, shall we say? What do you say? Now, we have taken this vessel. This vessel volume is some V value. In this vessel, only one gas molecule is present. Now, this gas molecule gets what volume for free movement? What volume for free movement? Will it the free volume is equal to volume of vessel, or less than volume of vessel, or greater than volume of vessel? What do you say? Which value do you say? This gas molecule. Again, I will say, you are taking a vessel. This vessel is having certain volume. This vessel is closed. In this vessel, you are taking only one gas molecule. This gas molecule, only one gas molecule is there. Now, this gas molecule is moving freely. This gas molecule gets what volume for free movement? What volume for free movement in this entire vessel? Compare that free movement, free volume with the volume of vessel. Will it be equal or not equal? What do you say? You have taken only one gas molecule. Okay. It is moving. It will be in continuous motion. It will not be under rest. It will be in continuous motion. Now, it is getting a, you are saying a unequal. You are saying unequal. That means, sir, okay. Now, this gas molecule is moving continuously. Okay. It is moving freely or not freely, you think it? It is moving in the sense, in where and all it can move, here and all it can move. Now, it will get what volume for its free movement? It will get what volume for its free movement? Or it is getting how much volume for moving freely? It is getting how much volume for moving freely? That means, is it getting the volume for free movement equal to volume of vessel, shall we say, or not equal to volume of vessel, shall we say? What do you say? One student says unequal. Sorry. Now, this molecule is there. It will move continuously. Which direction it will move, in the sense that we cannot say. It will move randomly. It is, suppose it is moving like this, in the sense it is making collision on wall of the vessel. Due to that direction changes, it may go like this. Here collision, in the sense it direction changes, it may go like this. So now this molecule is moving continuously. It is getting a what volume for its movement freely? For its movement freely. That means, shall we say, it is getting a how much volume for free movement, which is equal to volume of vessel. One student says equal. So you are saying that then shall we say, for this molecule, free volume is equal to volume of vessel. Shall we say, for this gas molecule, free volume is equal to volume of vessel. What is the meaning of free volume? What is the meaning of free volume? Volume available, volume available for the molecule, volume available for the molecule for its free movement, for its free movement, for its free movement. It is called free volume. Free volume, what is the meaning of free volume? The volume, free volume means volume available for the molecule for its free movement. That is called free volume. So here for this molecule, what is the volume available for its free movement, which is equal to volume of vessel. So free volume for this molecule is equal to volume of vessel. Do you agree this point? We have taken only one molecule. For this molecule, what is the volume available for its free movement? That is called free volume, which is equal to volume of vessel. Do you agree this? Do you have any doubt in this? Sir, okay. Now, so what is the meaning of free volume? What is the free volume this molecule is getting? That we got an idea. Sorry. Next we will take a vessel. In this vessel, let us consider two molecules. Here one molecule, it is another molecule. Like this, two molecules we will consider. Now, this molecule, let us consider about this molecule. For this molecule, what is the free volume? That we will see. For this molecule, what is the free volume? And for this molecule, free volume we are saying by comparing with the volume of vessel. Volume of vessel. Now, one possibility we can say equal, another possibility we can say not equal. Not equal in the sense greater than one possibility, less than one possibility. So, we will avoid neglecting term. We will avoid neglecting term. Okay. Even minute difference also we will consider it. Even minute difference also we will consider. Okay. Negligible term we need not consider now. So, now this molecule is moving freely here and there. Now, for this molecule, the volume available for its free movement, for this molecule, the volume available for its free movement, which is comparing with the volume of vessel, which we are comparing with the volume of vessel. That comparison will be like this. That comparison will be like this. Out of these, any one is correct, any one is possible. Sir, which one we have to see? Now, this molecule is having certain volume. This molecule is having certain volume. This molecule is having certain volume. That is called a volume of a molecule. Now, the words we will see, one is called a volume of gas, one is called volume of vessel, one is called volume of a molecule. What is the difference? That we will see. Later we will discuss this. Sir. Now, volume of vessel, you know. Generally, volume of vessel is nothing but volume of gas. Generally, volume of gas in the sense that is nothing but a volume of vessel till the closed end. Till the closed end. Okay. So, volume of gas is nothing but volume of vessel. That means now volume of gas means it is the volume of gas. It is the volume of gas. From here to here is called volume of gas. Volume of vessel means from here to here is called volume of vessel. Volume of a molecule means this is the volume of a molecule. It is, this volume is called volume of a molecule. So, volume of a molecule, volume of a gas, entirely different. Volume of a molecule, volume of a gas, entirely different. Volume of a molecule means this is the volume of a molecule. Volume of a gas means from here to here is the, from here to here is called volume of gas. Sir. So now we got a idea what is meant by volume of gas and volume of a molecule. Sir, okay. Now this molecule can move freely, randomly in the entire vessel. In the entire vessel, we can say. Similarly, this molecule. Okay. Now This molecule is having certain volume, as like this. These two molecules volume we will compare. Volume of this molecule, volume of this molecule will compare. Volume of this molecule and volume of this molecule, do you say same or different? Volume of this molecule and volume of this molecule, do you say same or different? Sir, suppose this molecule is carbon dioxide gas. This molecule is carbon dioxide gas. It is also carbon dioxide molecule. Then we can say volume of this molecule, volume of this molecule, same. Okay. If these two molecules are same, if these two molecules are having same molecular formula, then this molecule volume remains same, we can say. Sorry. Suppose this molecule is carbon dioxide, this molecule is nitrogen. Now we will see the volume. This molecular formula CO2, this molecular formula N2, this size and this size are different. This volume are different, because this molecule and this molecule different molecules. So size of this molecule will be different. Volume of this molecule will be different. Sir, okay. Next point we will say, now this molecule is getting some free volume for its free movement. What is the free volume available for this molecule? What is the free volume available for this molecule? Will it be equal to volume of vessel, or shall we say its free volume is less than volume of vessel, or what shall we say? What do you have an idea? What is the free volume available for this molecule for its free movement? You are saying less than. Okay, because of this molecule, it is having some volume. Based on that, you are saying like this. Sorry, one student says that less than. Okay. So you are saying that we have to consider this point. We have to consider. Okay. So what is the volume available? What is the volume available for this molecule? What is the volume available for this molecule for its free movement is called free volume. Now free volume available for this molecule is less than volume of vessel. Less than volume of vessel. One student says greater than. How it is greater than possible? Free volume and volume of vessel, one possibility equal, one possibility less than, greater than, not at all possible. How what is what is the way to have this point? What is the way to have this point? Where it will get free volume is greater than this means that extra volume, where it will get it, extra volume from where it will get it, that possibility is not there. No, so we can avoid this point. We can avoid this point. Sir, less than, greater than, when you are saying, we can avoid the, we will simply will leave that. Okay, so greater than possibility, we need not talk about it. Sorry, okay. So only one possibility, free volume is less than volume of vessel. Sir, now we are saying free volume is less than volume of vessel. Why? Because this molecule is occupying some volume. So that, sorry, this point we will say again. This molecule is occupying some volume. Therefore, free volume available for this molecule is less than volume of vessel. How much less in the sense? We may, how much less in the sense with respect to volume of this vessel? We are considering like this. Whether it is correct or wrong, or in what way van der Waals considered, that we have to discuss later. Okay. So free volume available for this molecule is less than volume of vessel, because this molecule occupies certain volume. Do you agree this? Now free volume available for this molecule is less than volume of vessel because this molecule is occupying some volume. Do you agree? Sir. Now say okay. Now we said like this. Sorry. Next we will take a vessel. We are taking vessel we have taken. In this vessel gas molecules are present. In this vessel many gas molecules are present. Many gas molecules are present like this. Okay. Now we will see free volume available to this molecule. That we will see. Free volume available to this molecule that we are comparing with the volume of vessel or volume of gas. Volume of vessel or volume of gas. Okay. Now volume of gas, volume of vessel. It is the volume of vessel. Volume of gas also this one. Volume of gas also this one. So volume of vessel is this much. Volume of gas also this much. Sir. Now this molecule is having this much volume. This molecule is having this much volume. This molecule is having this much volume. Okay. Now you say that this molecule, for this molecule, what is the free volume available for this molecule on comparing with the volume of vessel? The free volume available for this molecule is less than volume of vessel, shall we say, or equal to volume of vessel, shall we say. Here many molecules are there. Okay, you are saying that less you are saying. Okay. So less than you are saying. Okay. Now free volume for this molecule is less than volume of vessel. Okay. Free volume for this molecule will be equal or not equal. Free volume for this molecule will be equal or not equal. If we consider all the molecules are same molecules, sorry. So free volume for this molecule will be equal. That means free volume available for each molecule will be equal. Free volume available for each molecule will be equal. Free volume available for each molecule will be equal. Sorry, okay. Now you say that here how many molecules are there? We will count 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay. We are assuming that 12 molecules present here. We are assuming that 12 molecules present in this gas. Now free volume available to this molecule, free volume is equal to volume of vessel minus x. Why do we say minus x? Free volume is less than volume of vessel. So we have considered free volume is equal to volume of vessel minus x. Sorry. Now volume of molecule, let us consider y. Volume of molecule, let us consider y. Volume of molecule, let us consider y. Now say free volume is equal to volume of vessel minus what with respect to y? Minus what with respect to y? You are saying that 12 y you are saying. You are saying that one student says that 12 y. Sir, you are saying that 12 y. So you are considering that free volume is equal to volume of vessel minus 12 y. That 12 you considered because 12 molecules are there. Y you considered because volume of molecule is y, therefore 12 y you are saying. Sir, van der Waals considered in what way? That we will see. Van der Waals considering in what way, that we will see. Van der Waals, how we considered this point, this part, how Van der Waals considered this part, that we will see. As per Van der Waals, whether it is correct or wrong, that point also we have to compare. So now we are taking a one gas molecule. It is a one gas molecule. So this gas molecule is having radius r. This gas molecule is considered as sphere. So volume of a gas molecule is 4 by 3 pi r cube. We will consider same gas in the sense, either you take carbon dioxide or nitrogen, any one you take. Suppose you are taking carbon dioxide, means in the gas all the molecules are carbon dioxide molecules, like this we will take. Okay, so volume of gas molecule, we got an idea. Next we will take another molecule, we will take, it is this is one part, another part we will see. It is one gaseous molecule. Another gaseous molecule is in collision with this. All are carbon dioxide molecules, all are same molecules. Now two gaseous molecules are in collision, are in just collision. Two gaseous molecules are just in contact, like this we are considering. In what way Van der Waals considered? In that way we are considering. Van der Waals considered like this. Sorry, two gaseous molecules are in collision. Two gaseous molecules are in just contact with each other. Two gaseous molecules are just in contact with each other, like this. In what way Van der Waals considered, that we are discussing. Sorry, okay. We are not discussing by our own. In what way Van der Waals considered, that point now we started to discuss. Okay, it is one gaseous molecule, it is another gaseous molecule. These two gaseous molecules are just in contact. Sir, okay. Now it is one gaseous molecule, we said. It is second gaseous molecule, we said. Now we will consider third gaseous molecule. It is the third gaseous molecule. Now this third gaseous molecule is coming like this. This third gaseous molecule is coming like this. Because of these two, this third gas molecule is not getting what volume for its free movement. Now these two molecules are there, they are just in contact. It is a third molecule. Now volume of vessel is what, in the sense, let us consider this complete screen is the volume of vessel. This complete screen is the volume of vessel, like this we will assume. Okay, now two molecules are in contact. Okay, it is a third gaseous molecule. This third gaseous molecule is traveling like this. When it is coming here, will it get a certain volume for its free movement? Will it get a certain volume for its free movement because of this? Sir, now you are saying that because of these two molecules, this molecule is not getting a certain volume for its free movement. Okay, now you say, you consider these two molecules are in contact like this. Okay, now what is the volume this molecule is not getting for its free movement due to these two, that you say? Volume not available, for third molecule, for its free movement, due to one and two gaseous molecules, when they are in just contact. Now what do you say this? Value? Volume not available for third gaseous molecule for its free movement due to 1 and 2 molecules when they are in just contact. What is the value will you say? Volume of a gas molecule means 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of a gas molecule means 4 by 3 pi r cube. All the gaseous molecules are same molecules. Suppose if we consider carbon dioxide, all the gaseous molecules are carbon dioxide molecules. Now you say this value. You say this value with respect to volume of gas molecule. You say this value with respect to volume of gas molecule. That means with respect to 4 by 3 pi r cube also you can say. Or you can say with respect to volume of gas molecule also you can say. In any way you can say that. Now this is equal to, here equal to, do you say 2 into volume of gas molecule or 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube do you say, or what value do you say? Volume not available for third gaseous molecule for its free movement due to first gaseous molecule and second gaseous molecules when they are in just contact. Okay, one student says that this is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means 2 into volume of a molecule. Volume of a molecule. Like that one student says. Sir, what van der Waals says, that we will see. What is in what way van der Waals considered this? In what way van der Waals considered this? That we will see. Van der Waals consideration. Van der Waals consideration we'll see. Sir, it is one gaseous molecule. For this radius is smaller. It is another gaseous molecule. For this radius is smaller. Now we will take, we will consider so and so. We will consider like this sphere. Now consider that these two gas molecules are placed in a sphere. Now we are considering that two gaseous molecules, number one, number two, two gaseous molecules. Two gaseous molecules, number one and number two, are placed in a sphere, uniform sphere, are placed in a sphere. Two gaseous molecules, 1 and 2, are placed in a sphere. Okay. Now this sphere is having some radius. This sphere is having some radius. That radius we will consider. It is the radius of a sphere. It is the radius of a sphere. Radius of a sphere is equal to capital R, which is equal to small r plus small r. Small r is called radius of a molecule. Radius of a molecule. Okay. So radius of a sphere is equal to capital R. Radius of which sphere in the sense this sphere, radius of this sphere. Okay. Radius of this sphere is equal to capital R, that is equal to 2 into radius of a molecule. Sorry, okay. Now we will consider the third gaseous molecule. Now we consider third gaseous molecule. Okay. Now say that this third gaseous molecule, can it move freely in this sphere? Can it move freely in this sphere? Can it get volume for being in this sphere? Can it get volume for being in this sphere? Now see that can third gaseous molecule get volume for being in this sphere? Volume for being in this sphere. Can third gaseous molecule get volume for being in this sphere? volume for being in this sphere? Do you say yes or no? Now we have considered this sphere. This sphere we considered. In this sphere, two gaseous molecules are there. Now, third gaseous molecule we are considering. Can this molecule go and be in this sphere? Is it possible or not possible? Can it get a space? Can it get a space to go and be in this sphere or not possible? Okay, one student says that not possible. Then van der Waals considered in what ways? You see that volume not available for third gaseous molecule due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. What r means? Capital R. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So van der Waals considered like this. Van der Waals considered like this statement. Van der Waals consideration, you see, volume not available for third gaseous molecule due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here capital R is called radius of this sphere. Capital R is called radius of this sphere. In this sphere, two gaseous molecules are there. This place is empty, this place also empty. Now, van der Waals considered that volume not available for third gaseous molecule due to 1 and 2 molecules are equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. It is van der Waals consideration. Van der Waals considered like this. Van der Waals considered unavailable volume. Van der Waals considered unavailable volume like this. Shall we agree this point or no? Volume not available for third gaseous molecule due to 1 and 2 gaseous molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is van der Waals thought. Van der Waals considered like this. Van der Waals considered like this and he proceeded further. Sir, you are accepting. Sir, we will go for next point then. Now we will say volume not available for a gaseous molecule due to two other gaseous molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Capital R is called that radius of that sphere. Capital R is called radius of this sphere. In this radius of this sphere, two gaseous molecules are there. This capital R is called radius of one gaseous molecule plus radius of another gaseous molecule. Okay. So volume not available for a gaseous molecule due to two other molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. So now here you see that for third gaseous molecule, for this third gaseous molecule, what is the volume not available due to these two molecules? That is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Sorry. Now say, what is the volume not available for first gaseous molecule due to second and third gaseous molecules? What do you say? Will you say same 4 by 3 pi r cube? Will you say, or different will you say? Now see that this point is over. Now we are going for another point. Okay, you are saying that same. That means for the volume not available for second gaseous molecule due to first and three molecule will be equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, shall we say? One student says different. Sorry. One student says different. Then we will see this point again. Now here it is the first gaseous molecule. It is the second gaseous molecule. Now we will consider the sphere. We are considering the sphere. we are considering the sphere. For this sphere, volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Capital R is equal to plus small r, small r. Small r is called radius of a molecule. Radius of a molecule. Sorry. Now we are considering third gaseous molecule. It is the third gaseous molecule. For third gaseous molecule, unavailable volume for its free movement is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. This is over. This you accepted. Now we will consider. In another way we will consider. Sorry. It is the second gaseous molecule. It is the third gaseous molecule. Now sphere we will consider like this. Sphere we will consider like this. Now it is the first gaseous molecule. For this first gaseous molecule, unavailable volume is equal to, shall we say 4 by 3 pi r cube? Shall we say? One student said different. No. Now what do you say? Sir. Okay. Then anyway possibility, no. 1 and 2 may in contact, we said. 2 and 3 also can go for contact. 3 and 1 also can go for contact in any way possible in the gas. Sorry, okay. Now we will go for a next point. We are going for next point. Volume not available for a gas. For a gas in the sense, in this gas, generally we are saying you take 1 mole of gas or 2 moles of gas or 3 moles of gas. Any moles of gas you can take. That we have not mentioned here. Number of moles of gas is left you. Sorry. Volume not available for a gas due to 2 molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, this point, do you agree? Volume not available for a gas due to 2 molecules is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Do you have a doubt in this? Here you have to understand that here gas in the sense you are taking suppose carbon dioxide gas. How many moles? You may take 1 mole or 2 moles or 0.1 mole or 0.3 moles. Any moles you can take. Here we are not mentioning number of moles. Sir. Okay, given gas. Fixed amount of mass. Now in this gas, due to 2 molecules in this gas, this much volume is not available for this free movement. Shall we say like this? Volume not available for a gas due to 2 molecules is this much. Do you agree this? Do you agree this statement? Here gas you are taking. Okay, that means we will take gas like this. We are taking gas here. In this vessel we have taken gaseous molecules. Okay, we have taken gaseous molecules like this. The gaseous molecules will move continuously. Sorry, okay. They are moving continuously. They will make a random motion. Okay. They will make many collisions. Okay. They are making collision on wall of the vessels. Okay. Now we will consider due to these two molecules. This molecule is getting unavailable volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Do you agree this? Due to these two molecules, this molecule